Welcome back, everyone. Appreciate you joining me here today. Quick video. Looking for snack recommendations. As you've seen in the title, I'm looking for your guys' favorite snacks. I don't care where it's from. I don't want it to be anything from the U.S. I do want it to be something international, but I do not care where it's from. But I'm looking for something I can order in and make videos for you guys with. Now that the weather is finally, clearing up, as you can see, it's overcasty and kind of stormy, rainy right now. But what I mean by that is now that it's no longer, 90 to 100 degrees every day, super high humidity, I can finally ship some things in and have them not melt and be ruined on the way in. So I am looking for you guys' favorite snack recommendations. Trying to order, anywhere from $100 to $150 worth of stuff. Get it in here, make some videos for you guys, maybe sort them out by countries, or depending on, what you guys recommend, depending on how much I can get my hands on. We'll see how it comes when it comes to the making videos with that. But yeah, just looking for recommendations because, it's kind of hard for me to, go onto a website and choose. I can Google, hey, what's the most popular snack in Germany or, New Zealand or Japan or something. But Google's only going to tell me like super, super popular ones, but not necessarily the best ones, not necessarily ones that everybody in general likes. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm coming out to you. I would ask you, please just give me your favorite snack recommendations. Give me all of them. I don't care. Like I said, I want to order around 100 to 150 dollars worth of snacks, and go from there. So yeah, if you guys could do that for me, I'd highly appreciate it. And I hope to get some more videos out here soon. Snack videos, reaction videos. Had another one copyright, so I have to rearrange that crap. I don't know, that gets tiring. But anyway, yeah, hopefully get some more videos out for you guys here soon. So thanks, guys.